Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to hide threads likes from public. So as we all know, this option is available on every social media, almost like Facebook and Instagram, for example. So threads is also have that feature or that option, and it's similar to the others. How you can do that is by just going through your profile picture right here on the bottom right corner, tap on it, and right here what I want to do is to go into this two horizontal lines on the top right corner, tap on it, and after that what I want to do is to go into privacy. It's right here, privacy. Okay, so tap on it, and right here what I want to do is to go into hide likes, the last option right here in the other privacy settings, and they will send you directly to Instagram. So because the threads is by Instagram and it's attached to this app, so I want you just to go right here and toggle it on. So by doing that you will hide threads likes, and it will affect Instagram also automatically. So or yeah, it's the counter. It will be affects trades automatically because we do that in Instagram settings. Anyways guys, this is the video, and goodbye. Thank you so much for watching.